All right, moving on to matters financial now. Digital Lenders Association of Kenya, that was DLAK, has rebranded to Digital Financial Services Association of Kenya, DFSAK. Now, the association reported disbursed over 500 billion shillings in mobile loans to small business and households over the last 8 years. The rebrand is aimed at deepening financial inclusion by bringing together more players in the financial service ecosystem and by being more responsive to dynamic customer needs.
In 2018, when the association journey began, we were misunderstood, unregulated, and seen as a social menace. Today, 4 years later, we are known as the solution to financial inclusion, where we offer innovative and relevant solutions for the bottom of the pyramid. Since our industry began, it is estimated that our industry has lent out over 500 billion shillings to over 8 million customers since 2014.
I am hoping that all of us are going out of the way to increase savings for our people. Because what's happening, Kenyans are becoming net spenders. And the saving component of this country is going low and low and low. We are all borrowing to finance our lives. So what if we had an inclusion in all our services, that there must be a saving element in our products? Risk management, when we are all coming up with these very good credit products to, for example, give to our boda riders, how about we make sure that there's an insurance component? We make sure deliberate that there is an insurance component, so that that boda rider who gets that boda has part of that financing element is medical insurance.
All right, and still with matters financial now, KCB Group has posted a 19.5%